So guys, you want to go to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to find the printer that you want to share. Click on it. Then you want to click on printer properties. This will come up. You want to click on sharing. Now you want to click on change sharing options. Make sure you have share this printer ticked, and you can now set the share name. I'm going to keep it on the default, but you can change it to whatever you want. This will be the name that will come up when you want to share the printer and you want to connect to it from the other computer, and then click on OK. Next, you want to go to search and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on it. Make sure you have Network Discovery turned on and file printer sharing also turned on. Public networks do the same thing, and the same for all networks. But you can turn off password protected sharing. Next, you want to go to search and type in command prompt. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to type in ipconfig and then click on enter. You want to take note of the IPv4 address, this right here. Next, we're going to go to search and type in view your PC name. Click on it. It's going to be showing your PC name right here. You want to take note of it. Now, you want to go to the Windows 10 PC, go to search and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to turn on Network Discovery and turn on file and printer sharing. Do the same thing for private. Network Discovery turn on. Then you want to expand all networks. You want to turn on sharing so anyone with network access can read and write files in public folders. And you want to turn on password protected sharing and then click on save changes. Now you want to go to search and type in run. Click on enter. You want to type in 2 backslashes and then you want to type in either the device name of the Windows 11 machine or the IP address of the Windows 11 machine, the IPv4. And then click on OK. You can now right click on the printer that you want to connect to and then click on connect. That's how you do it.